Hey everyone, it's Claire, and today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul with you guys. So yesterday I went to the thrift store Savers with my friends, and I got a ton of cool things that I needed for the winter weather, and it ended up only costing $42 total. So I'm going to share with you what I got and how much each item was. Okay, so first off, excuse me, my voice is kind of have a cold. So first off, I got this jacket. This was $5.50. It is a button-up jacket, kind of for like fall weather, winter weather, things like that, in good condition. So that's nice. And I just feel like I could wear this just like if I needed to go outside or if I was going to go out to the mall with friends or whatever it is that I'm going to do. It's easy to wear. I got this more stylish jacket. This was $8.99. It is freaking amazing, like warm, very stylish as well, good quality. And this is C Sono by Cavallani. Amazing find, and I love the color on my skin tone. Next up, I got this vest, and this is just a polka dot vest. I love wearing poofy polka dot vests. Perfect, like you could put a sweater or you could put a sweatshirt underneath and then just have this on top. This was only $4.49. Next up, you guys, sweaters. So for winter, I love lounging around in sweaters. This sweater was only $7.49. Really warm, good quality, well maintained. I love this bright color too. Then I got this really pretty burnt orange sweater from Banana Republic, and this was only $7.50. I love the color on me, and once again, this is a perfect layering item for fall and winter, and I could wear this with all sorts of different items, even going out or even just lounging around the house. And then I got this other magenta cardigan. It's a button-up cardigan. This looks like brand new, I swear to you. I don't even feel like somebody even wore this. It was only $3.99. I do have another one that is similar to it, but I was like, oh well, thought I had lost it, so I got this one. And this will be perfect. I can pair this even for like a work event or semi-casual outfit or meeting. This is like my favorite color, you guys, so heck yeah. Then I got this top, and this is a crisscross in the back top with a scoop neck in the front. Very pretty design, and this was $5.99. Then for my girly side, I have this floral t-shirt from Mud, and it's only $3.50. Looks super pretty. I gravitate to girly styles a lot, but this would be so cute paired with like light jeans or with a high-waisted skirt as well, or just like a casual day where I'm just like going out. I'm probably gonna use this in the summer. I got this bright pink top, you guys. It is super bright pink. It has a zipper. I could use this for like a dance video or like a dance party, seriously. Amazing. And it's just like really simple, really lightweight. It was only $2.50. Think of all the dance moves that this thing can handle. And then I got this adorable coat for $6.50. This is one of those button-up, like, is it a pea coat? I'm not quite sure. But this is perfect for going out in the fall, in the winter, looking sophisticated, put together. For only $6.50, that's a steal. Then we also got a 30% off coupon on top of all that. So we got to apply that discount as well. So it was amazing. Only $42 for all these items. If I went to the store, I could have spent like $42 for 2 items. Seriously. So let me know, you guys, do you ever thrift shop? Have you gotten any good deals? And what do you think of the outfits that I found? Please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!